Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video, channel, whatever. It's been a while. Hi. If I look away from the camera, it's because I'm not used to this. I'm sorry. I'm doing a rare mail time because, I'm giving away free VIP. It has been a long time. Sorry, I'm weird. Since I have recorded anything. Sorry. I don't really know what else to say. Sorry, I look disgusting right now, but it's 1 a.m. in the morning, so I keep looking at the little circle thing, my square face over here instead of the camera, so I'm sorry. I wasn't even gonna record because, it's been a while, and my brother gets notifications on his phone every time I record a video, and I really do not want to deal with him. But I obviously want to make it believable because it's actually gonna happen. I'm actually gonna do it. I'm weird like that. I'm a nice person, okay? Anyways, while this takes forever to load, look how cute I am. Welcome to Rare Week. I bought like everything in Rare store. I'm so confused right now. Never mind. It's being weird. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Also, hold on, what happened? Oh, let me move my face. Okay. I don't know why it's taking so long. It's really making me mad right now because, well, it's been a while. Oh no! I lost a scrunchie! Oh no, I did it. Okay. Yay. Okay, let's just get on with it because I'm sick of talking already. I'm sick of hearing my voice. Probably not even gonna watch this before I do it. Oh, she sent me more. Hey. Okay, I'd like to give a shout out to Hat Toucan. I'm not gonna click on it because then I won't get the gift. It won't open, whatever. But she's actually Toucan. I don't know how you want to say it, but she's actually a really nice girl. You guys should go friend her. This video probably won't upload until tomorrow because, oh, she sent me Miss Goldie. I already have half of these in every freaking color. Oh, I love Miss Goldie. Okay, anyways, I look extra sketchy right now. She's actually a really nice person. Back to what I was saying. Sorry if I keep playing with my nose. Somebody hit a skunk. Thank you. Somebody hit a skunk right in front of my grandma's house, and all her windows are open, and it kind of stinks. And yeah. This is probably the only time you guys will be seeing my face in videos, unless I record on my phone because of the fact that, thank you, I didn't think that I would be able to use, the webcam because I don't pay for screen recorder. But apparently it works, and I don't know why, but whatever. Yeah. Also, this will probably be the first video of, September. I'll probably post a lot more. I don't know what type of videos I'll do. Maybe I'll do makeovers. But nobody really trusts people with, doing makeovers and stuff because they think they're gonna, hack them or whatever. But I'm not a hacker. Just for the people that, thank you. The people that, have been hacked or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna cut all my hair off. It's so annoying. Anyways, I keep looking, I'm sorry. Thank you. Half this video is just gonna be me talking about absolutely nothing, so please be aware. It has been a while because of, like, I don't go to school anymore, you guys. I do online schooling. But I haven't been, really online because I've had, like, some family issues. Thank you. I have, like, 6 of these pairs of shoes now. I don't wear any of them. Because I don't really have enough credits right now to graduate, so the school that I'm going to is actually helping me to the point where I can do that, because during the school year I had a lot of issues and I missed a lot of school, so yeah. So I might be on a lot. I've been on a lot more lately. Thank you. Oh, dang it, I like that. Anyways, obviously before Rare Week I had a lot of money. I'm broke now. I'm sorry. I can't help it. After this, I'll probably take a shower because I get to see my little baby tomorrow. She's not my baby. She's my sister. What? She's still my little baby. I don't know if that's rare, but thank you. I think it is, because it's not me. If it is, I have a lot of them. Also, after this, if I still have time, because I only get 15 minutes and I'm at 6 minutes, I will give some shout outs because a lot of people have sent me gifts and I couldn't record them because of the fact that my computer has been, it's been like uploading for like, not uploading. I don't know what to call it. Oh, thank you. That's not in Rare Week at all. Updating, my bad. Duh. Thank you. Updating. And it's been updating for like 2 weeks. I don't know what that was, but I'm kind of scared. Hey, I get the drip. I don't have drip shirts, so this is like, thank you so much. I'm so scared that this skunk is gonna jump in my window or something. Like, I swear to God, if that happens, y'all will see me run. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, about my other account that I had, that got hacked, sadly. Thank you. That looks very comfy. So I made this account like, it's 2019. I made it like 3 years ago. Let me turn my brightness down. You can't even see my face. Okay. Yeah, I'm a nerd. That's how I put my glasses back up. Thank you. I actually did not get that in the shop, so thank you. That's the only shirt that I didn't get. I bought everything else. What was I talking about? Oh, thank you. What am I talking about? The girl that hacked my account is actually friends with me on the account, and I asked her for my account back, and she was just like, somebody gave me this account. Thank you. I don't know if that's great, but thank you so much. It's actually really, purple is my favorite color, I swear to God. I asked her for my account back, and she said that somebody gave it to her, so I don't know. I didn't want to bug her anymore because, it could be the hacker, and I don't want it to take this account. But the last time I recorded, I was married. I'm not married anymore. Yeah, it's such a sad thing. Zach, the guy that I was with, he has not been online for like 2 years, and so I broke up with him. Not because I didn't love him, but because I couldn't date a ghost. That's kind of depressing, don't you think? This is a backup of mine. I just sent myself prayers because I felt like it. Because obviously I don't have enough money to buy myself more. I want to save up. Come on now. I have a lot of these rose necklace things, and I really don't know if they're rares, but I'll call them a rare because I have a lot of them and people like to send them to me. Sorry. For like meal times, and some of them are, you know, the natural color pink and green, and some of them are like white and black, and I have no idea. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. Vintage wedding. Oh, thank you. I have one of those too, and it's the exact same color it comes in the shop. Just saying. Okay, so is this like an accessory because of the fact that I could... Never mind. Never mind. I answered my own question in like 2.5 seconds, so... Whatever. Princess shoes. Those were on my wish list, thank you. I put them on there because the girl, what was her name? I remember. Oh, Hot Toucan, Token, whatever. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong. I don't know. I'm retarded. She told me to put stuff on my wish list so that she could buy them, but she didn't. She wasn't, you know, didn't end up being the one to buy them. Raindrops. What? I've never seen these before, so I don't know if they're rares or not. But thank you so much. I probably have literally half my clothes are all rares. Because I do a lot of mail times. And on my other accounts, I have like cheeky dresses and stuff. Thank you, myself. I have 3 of those. I bought so much rare stuff, y'all don't even know. Like, I was so excited, and I completely forgot. I absolutely forgot about Rare Week until I logged in, and I was like, oh, the theme changed, and then I realized that somebody said that Rare Week was on a Thursday. So, yeah. I have 3 minutes. Ooh, excuse me. That is another hair. I just spit, I'm sorry. That is another hair that I did not buy because it looks really weird on my character. The outfit that I was wearing, it looked really weird on my character. Also, for everybody who has Skype, if you're my friend on here and you have Skype, and you know, you want to be in my videos on Skype, just let me know. Like, just tell me what your Skype is. I don't really use mine anymore because I don't have any friends. But, case closed. I've seen these skirts like one time in Rare Week, and it was like 3 years ago, and are they just like, I don't know what they're doing. But, honestly, I don't think I would ever wear that. Maybe I'll sell it, I don't know. Whatever. I do not know. Okay, this is going too slow. We're just gonna do this because I already know what I gave myself. Okay. I sent myself the original. I sent myself this. I sent myself this. Thank you. Myself. Ow. Okay. So let's shout some. Oh, I just got a gift. God dang it. Come on, bro. Okay, but you could have sent earlier because I had already opened them and my video is over in like 2 seconds. So, anyways, well, have a good day tomorrow. I have like 30 seconds. What is this? Oh my god, thank you. Okay, if somebody sends me any gifts for the next video, I will show it. Thank you for watching. I'm Bree. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.